Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an interactive video. This is done in stages using a combination of tools to help us reach our desired outcome. To start with, you should have already found a useful video to base a quiz around. Take note, the video that you use can only be selected from YouTube or Vizia. Okay, so the next stage is planning or documenting. Based on the video content, watch it, re-watch it, so you know what the presenter is going to say. Use their dialogue to help you form answers to questions. This is a moment. Go hard with your reciprocal learning. Predict, question, clarify, and summarize to help you form your quiz questions. My Year 9 and 10 classes are creating interactive video quizzes based on digital citizenship, cyberbullying, and spyware. You're planned, you're ready, you have your questions and answers ready for your quiz. So the next step from here is we go straight to Vizia. V-I-Z-I-A, enter. I do a Google search because I want to go straight to create an account.
Okay, if you're using Google Chrome as your main browser, where it automatically signs you into your Google account, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is click on this button here and it'll sign you up automatically. It'll remember your name, your email address and your password from your Google account, and it will synchronize it to this particular platform. Okay, so otherwise, if you're not, you'll have to go through the motions of putting your name in, an email, password, and password confirmation.
So here we are. We have our video. We're going to copy that. We're put it in here, paste it in here, and continue. Now, the interactions that we will be using mainly are quiz and response. Quiz is a multiple choice option and you are able to select the correct answer through the radio button. We'll show you that shortly. Quiz, you can also use true or false questions, yes or no, Boolean type. Poll, you won't, for some reason it doesn't seem to be working for me. It may work tomorrow, but a poll question generally is a yes or no, true or false question. Call to action requires the respondent to click a button that will take them to an outside source. Okay, so there are some things that we need to take note of. When we want to stop the video from playing, we need to click here. Okay, do not click down here, please. Don't even touch that. I have my question here. My first one is name 2 out of the 9 elements of digital citizenship, and that is going to be an open-ended question, which is a response type question. So I go back. Oh, I don't want the video. I'll get rid of that. I go back to Vizia and I'm going to play it. I'm just going to fast forward it a bit to save time. This is one moment that I can fast forward it. Okay, I'm waiting for the moment. So I allowed the viewer a couple of seconds to quickly peruse over the 9 elements of digital citizenship with hope that they might remember at least 2 of them. So that's at 18 seconds here that you can see, 18 seconds that I want the quiz, or actually it was a response question, to be asked. Now it's really not so clear. Now see this line where I'm scrolling backward and forward? This red line is to do with where your interaction is going to stop. So I need to marry this timing up with 18 seconds. So it is so fiddly. It is so fiddly. That's why I say don't click down there at all. So it's really delicate, and I need to get it exactly on 18 seconds. It is on 18 seconds now. I do not click, still do not click, but I do drag my cursor down to the response button. Now I can copy, I've copied it, I'll put that in there. Okay, now another point I didn't explain earlier is if you want to collect the respondents' names and email addresses at the beginning of the video, you want to select that, okay? So what that means is that when you share the quiz, with your students or other people, it will automatically collect their responses in this Google Sheet here, which is really cool. Okay, so I'm going back to question 2. What do you think digital commerce is? I'm just going to copy that. This is a quiz question. So I'm looking for the right moment. I'm going to just drag it forward. Okay, now I overstepped the mark, so I'm just going to drag it back a bit. Okay, I dragged it back on that timeline. Pause. That's at 30 seconds. I need to drag my interaction so that this reads 30. So I don't need it exactly 30. Now it's on 30 and I slide my cursor down to, I'm using a quiz this time. Boom, there. Copy in the answers there. Copy there. Copy there. Now I know that the correct answer is this middle one, so I select the middle radial button so that when Vizia calculates it, knows which one's the correct one. Okay, so save. I'm going to continue on with my questions, but I'm going to put it on fast forward mode so you can see when we get to the end how it all comes together. Okay, I have finished. I'm going to preview it. It's doing this because I clicked that option at the beginning where, like I wanted the respondents to put their name and email address in. So that's why that's happening. Okay, the first question. 2 out of the 9 digital cows and dogs. Now, this kind of open-ended question, obviously the teacher will have to go in and mark it in the Google Sheet, which I'll show you at the end. That didn't work, and that's not uncommon. Okay, as you could see, there's a glitch in the system. Sometimes Vizia isn't goes to sleep, so you have to drag it back. This is a preview, and I'm hopeful that in the real live version it doesn't have glitches like this. So could be because I'm pulling it backward and forward too. Yes, continue. Just all of the above. Just fast forwarding it. Okay, typing any message in capital letters is rude and offensive. Yes, it is. Okay. Electronic law, are you allowed to use any? Okay, I know the answer is no. Children who spend more than 3 hours, yeah, true. Continue. Okay, that one. Continue. And now I'm at the end. So yes, it works. Uh, scored 7 out of 7. Fantastic. Okay, I'm not going to play the video again. Your responses will go into a Google Sheet. So I can open this Google Sheet up and you'll have everybody respondent's name. It shows you here that I've attempted it. So you're able to, for the open-ended questions, where I had cows and dogs, you as a teacher are able to assign your marks to that. Now, there's another lesson that we can go on a bit later about Flubaroo, using Flubaroo to mark. And I'm going to enable Flubaroo on the sheet so it can set up and do good stuff on that. But that's another lesson. We'll go on about that in another time. So thank you for watching. It's just a basic tutorial on how to set up your Vizia questionnaires. Thank you. Bye. Ka kite.